I've been hand cycling for at least 20 years. When I was 23, I was in the Peace Corps in the Andes when I got an aneurysm, a blood clot around my spinal cord. So I came back to the United States and had to adjust to being disabled, and I became a dentist working out of a wheelchair. Eventually, I practiced dentistry for 25 years here in Tucson.
You know, one of the senior members of our team is Billy Holbrook. Billy, wow, she's a retired dentist at age 70-ish something. She is out riding that hand cycle and has been doing it ever since she had her injury in her early 20s. She's never stopped. She became one of the first wheelchair-using dentists, female dentists, that I have ever heard about. Had a wonderful practice, and now is retired and gives back to the community. She's a volunteer in her church. She's the sweetest person you'll know. So we got her a hand cycle. Hers had been stolen out of her garage, and she didn't know where to go, and she ran into our organization. We got her a bike that works, and she's been out there riding it. So Billy's slow and steady. That's Billy.
Just enjoy biking. It's a wonderful independent feeling. You have some control of where you are, and the people you meet are adapting to the pandemic and to their disabilities in all kinds of vehicles. So it's great to be on the loop today. With Southern Arizona Adaptive Sports, I signed up for the 28-mile ride in the El Tour de Tucson, and my first time I rode in the El Tour was in 1998. So I have had a hand cycle for that long, but then eventually my disability got more involved and I did not ride for many years, but now I'm back at it and enjoying it so much.